Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. So here in this video, we're inserting an image into a circle and we're creating circular frames into those circles with black shadows to top the image. Now, it's really easy to use frames. Frames are fantastic and they're a new layer type in the layers panel here in Photoshop. You can think of them as container tools that hold content, or placeholders if you like. To allow a non-destructive workflow, the content within frames is automatically added as smart object. Frames are meant specifically for images, and you can add smart objects but not shapes, text or other content. To use a frame, you select the frame tool from the tools panel or press K. In the tool options bar, choose a rectangular frame or an elliptical frame. With an existing image on the canvas, draw a frame over the desired area of the image, and when you draw the frame, the image is masked by the frame boundaries. You can turn shapes or text into frame that you can use as placeholders and fill with images really easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. In our Photoshop course, as part of the graphic design course, you can study frames, masks and layers, as well as many other tools to create fantastic graphic designs. If you do have any questions, please get in touch with us. Thank you and bye-bye.